Hello gamer. Today I will show you how to easily remove and replace Corsair Void Elite gaming headphones old earpads cushions. In this way, for less than $10 you can refresh your headset without buying a new one. To remove the ear cushions, you need to put your index finger behind the inside of the earpads, and slowly pull the earpad away. It's really that easy. The edge of the earpad cushion is held in the groove of the headphone housing. Pulling the edge of the earpad cushion out of the groove will remove pads. Next step is buy new replacement earpad cushions. The link to them is in the video description. To install the new earpads, be sure to straighten the inner edge of earpad before putting them on. This will make the installation process easier. Then put the shorter side of the earpad on top, so that the earpads are in the right position. Insert the edge of the earpads into the groove of the headphones housing, using 2 fingers to hold in place the inserted edge, so that it does not come out. With your other hand, pull the remaining edge of the earpads into the groove, as soon as a new length-off earpad edge is in the groove. With the fingers of the other hand, hold it in place, so that it does not come out, then continue pulling and groove the next section part of edge. As soon as a new section is inserted, again hold it with the fingers of the other hand. Repeat this process until the edge of the earpads cushion is pulled all the way around into the groove of the headphone body. The same steps should be followed with the other earpad cushion. Straighten the edge before placing it, then insert the top side of the earpad cushion into the groove of the headphone housing. Hold the inserted part, and continue to pull the uninserted edge of the earpad into groove. Repeat these steps until the entire edge of the earpad cushion is pulled into the groove. Congratulations, you have learned how to remove and replace the earpads cushion on this Corsair Void Elite gaming headset. Thank you and have a good gaming time.